My neighbor once had a fragrant honeysuckle bush. I love the smell. The neighbor decided to remove the bush. I've searched for years for a replacement. Do you have any suggestions for fragrant varieties of honeysuckle? And this is Kathy from Princeton, West Virginia. So we have to think about, that zone, West Virginia, there. So what do you think about that? Fragrant honeysuckle.
Well, the only
bush.
and it being a shrub or a bush, the only one that really comes to my mind is the winter honeysuckle. And it's called Lonicera fragmentissima, I believe is the scientific name. And I have one in my kind of hedgerow, and it's hugely fragrant.
Okay.
And it flowers late winter. That's why I guess it's called the winter honeysuckle, because it flowers without any leaves on it.
Right.
And you can walk within 25 feet of it and you're going to smell it.
Oh, wow.
So that would be my guess, that maybe that's the shrub she's talking about, possibly.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Something else I would suggest for, Ms. Kathy to do is, your local extension office. Maybe they have, a publication.
Sure.
On flowers and such. They may have what she's looking for here.
True.
But after doing a little digging, so back in 2014, the flower of the year, the wildflower of the year for West Virginia, coral honeysuckle.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful.
Supervitans.
Yeah.
Is what that is.
Yeah.
Supervitans.
Yeah.
And
that thing blooms off and on all year, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
All growing season. Yeah, it's a vine, a real aggressive
it's a vine.
Yeah.
Right. But it was their 2014 wildflower of the year.
That's nice. Yeah, it is native.
Yeah.
It's native.
Yeah,
Native
coral
here
honeysuckle.
too.
Yeah, native here as well. So there you have it, Miss Kathy. Go to your local extension office. They may have, a publication there that could help you out.
And if she remembers what that thing looked like, she could look up, the winter honeysuckle and see if that looks like it.
Okay.
Good
idea. Good suggestion. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.